It's the most wonderful time of the year. Hi friends, happy holidays. It's Miss Hazel.
And Miss Kate.
Oh my gosh, we are here to show you how to make a Christmas tree. Well, it doesn't even have to be a Christmas tree. A holiday tree, a winter tree. My tree is a Christmas tree, but I know people celebrate all kinds of things. And when Kate makes these sometimes, we just do them in January and they're just trees. Here is my tree. It's a magazine. This is one of those sort of repetitive things that are super fun. And when the kids make them, sometimes the trees look a little crazy, but I'm going to tell you that's the beautiful charm of them. All right, so I like to take the cover off of it because it's usually thicker. So I've already taken the cover off of that. So you're going to go almost like you're making a paper airplane. Crease it, and then fold it again, and crease it, and then fold it up. When this time of year comes around in room 9, the kids are like, they see the magazines and they kind of go crazy. So that's the first part that you fold it. You can use ribbon, like here's some really beautiful Hanukkah ribbon that you could use to put on top of your tree. We have, you know, anything like that. Sometimes stars, sometimes kids glue like Christmas balls on top like that. There have been years where we don't bring in anything that was store-bought and the kids have to make their own ornaments here. So they'll use beads. Miss Kate found this outside, so you could use beads and stick it on like that. Also, kind of funny, you could put Melty beads. We love Melty beads. You could glue those on it. And then you can use garland and glue it around. It's pretty up to you what you want to do with it. They're just really fun trees that could be used for all different holidays. Thank you so much for joining. Happy holidays, and come back and see us again soon. Take care, friends.
Bye.
Bye now.